Okay, so this is the Rosewill Neon K75 mechanical keyboard. It's available with both blue and brown kill switches. While they're pretty good, they aren't as consistent as Cherry MX's. The price is around 80 bucks, but you can find it on sale for around 50 to 60. I bought it on Black Friday for 45 bucks, shipped from Newegg, and haven't had any problems since then. Okay, so for those who are unfamiliar with Rosewill, they are the house brand from Newegg. They make PC cases, mouse, keyboards, Wi-Fi adapters, even fucking ovens. Mine came with a small defect on the edge lighting. One of the LED's blue channel is dead, so it's only noticeable if you use any color containing that channel. I'm pretty sure if it just RMA the keyboard, they would replace it no problem, but I didn't want to bother with that since it's barely noticeable. The effects can be changed on the keyboard itself, but you can make custom profiles with the software available on Rosewill's site. Just make sure you download the correct one because the K85 one, it's different. It's not compatible with the K75. Okay, so the K75 features are: the build quality is pretty fucking solid. The top plate is brushed aluminum, was really hard to clean. It looks gorgeous. The bottom half is plastic. You do have rubber feet, height adjustable. The cable is braided, but it's not removable. You have 3 options for cable routing. You can either route it to the left, center, or right. The only thing that I don't like about this keyboard is the font. While the keycaps themselves are pretty fucking good, they're double shot PBT, the font is pretty hideous. I would totally prefer the K85 keycaps over this. So overall, I really do recommend this keyboard, but not for the asking price of $80. If you can find this anywhere online for around 50 to 60, I would say go for it. So right now, the only thing that's left to do is the typing test. Okay, so they do sound pretty good. They feel awesome. And that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. See ya.